Tanong mo kay dad. Tanong mo kay dad. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Why? What happened to that? Is it you, Ate? No. Maybe it's Elf.
Nakakalat yung nail polish ni nyo
Daddy. Look at your nail. Your feet.
Wow.
Your feet.
Ano nangyari?
Just look at your feet. Maybe it was Lily.
Ay, naku! Paano
Maybe
yan?
it was Lily.
Look
Maybe
at
it's not
daddy's
Lily.
feet.
Mom,
So
maybe,
colorful.
Mom, maybe it was Lily.
Nasaan ba si Lee?
Are going to like it Christmas soon. Lily.
Sabi, check your iPad.
Me. Now get yours.
Check mo nga.
I'm small.
Check mo kung ano yung ginawa niya. Kalagay ka ng picture.
Maybe it's in Nami's iPad.
Ayun.
Now the truth. I
Show mo
win.
Show mo. Dahil mo kay dad. Anong ginawa ni Elf? Silly Elf. Silly Elf. Kasi, ay, si Elf nga. Nagpicture pa. Nag-selfie pa sa pit ni dad.